Want to do a refrigerator right this time? Yeah, man. What's up, cuz? The refrigerator around, cuz. The refrigerator right. Man, what's up, cuz? Refrigerator around. Take a ball in the refrigerator. Pull out the crust. The crust. Lay them all in the refrigerator. Got some fucking jelly. Oh wait, that's butter. All in the refrigerator. Got some fucking butter. Butter, motherfucker. Got some butter. All in the refrigerator. Got some fucking eggs. Some eggs too big to be grabbing. All in the refrigerator. Got some fucking mustard. Two mustards. All in the refrigerator. Got some pineapple. Okay, a pineapple. All in the refrigerator. Got some fucking jelly. Nigga, are you fucking ready? Ooh, got some fucking jelly. Ooh, got some jelly. All in the refrigerator. Got some fucking cherries. Two cherries. All in the refrigerator. Got some. All in the refrigerator. Got some fucking ice. Some ice in there. Got some ice. All in the refrigerator. Got some fucking Whoppers. Hey, Whoppers. All in the refrigerator. Got some fucking mayo. Motherfucker. Got some mayo. All in the refrigerator, got some fucking relish. Some relish, motherfucker, got some relish. All in the refrigerator. Hold up, we ain't finished yet. All in the refrigerator. Boy. All in the refrigerator. I'm a little girl. So now I'm a little girl. All in the refrigerator. All in the refrigerator. Yeah. All in the refrigerator. All in the refrigerator. Found a piece of cake. All in the refrigerator. Okay. All in the refrigerator. Found a piece of cake. All in the refrigerator. All in the refrigerator. Got an umbrella. All in the refrigerator. The boy. Alright, that's our video out here, boy. We out here. We out here. Stupid man. This is all out here. Why you guys?